Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to create a folder on your home screen to organize your application. So here the device that I use now is iPhone XR, and to create, I would like to show to you what is folder on home screen. So folder in the home screen will be like this. So like a boxes that containing several applications that have several purposes. So here I already like organize my social media application in one folder so that I can like easily access all of them together without having to slide the screen to find them. And now to create this folder, it's so easy. So you just need to like choose the application that you want to organize to. For example, you want to have a folder that containing this Facebook and Classroom, so you just need to like drag the Facebook or click and hold while you moving it until the application is start to be shaking. And after that you just need to like drag this Facebook like in the top of the other application that you want to make the folder with. And after that the phone will be automatically creating the folder for you. And whenever you're done, you just need to like set the name of the folder that you want. But then if the recommendations name that give by the phone is already matched with it, so you just need to just go click the random part out of the boxes, and they will be bring you into your home screen. And that's the way how to create the folder on iPhone home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.